Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Youth Fidelity account. First, understand that these accounts are for teens aged 13 to 17. A parent or guardian must already have a Fidelity account to initiate the process. You'll need to gather essential information, including social security numbers for both the parent and the teen. The setup is quick and can be completed entirely online, allowing both parent and teen to begin their financial journey together. Next, let's talk about account types and funding. The Fidelity Youth account is unique because it's a teen-owned brokerage account, giving young investors direct control. You can start investing with as little as $1, and there are no minimum balance requirements or account fees. Parents can seamlessly transfer money from their existing Fidelity account, making it simple to contribute to their teens' financial growth. Now, let's explore investment options and monitoring. Teens can invest in a variety of assets, including most U.S. stocks, exchange-traded funds, and Fidelity mutual funds. Parents maintain oversight, able to monitor investments and review transactions, which fosters important financial conversations. The account also provides valuable educational tools and resources, helping teens learn about the market and make informed decisions. Setting up a Youth Fidelity account offers significant benefits, primarily teaching teens valuable financial literacy and investing skills. This hands-on experience can truly empower them for their future. When your teen turns 18, their youth account automatically transitions into a standard brokerage account, giving them full financial independence. Remember to check the description for a link to a recommended book that can change your perspective on money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.